Hello, welcome to Vidya Mandir IIT NEET Cell. I am Sandeep Patil. So, the second part of periodic table. So, today I will discuss the modern periodic table. To start with, the modern periodic law. Modern periodic law. तो अभी हेनरी मॉसली ने क्या किया? Frequency of radiations, frequency, that is new, root of new. What he did? So he studied the different elements का जो radiations था, radiations, okay, उस radiations के बारे में उसने study की. Alright, so the root of frequency of radiations versus atomic number. Okay, so the basic experiment was he was studying the X-ray diffraction experiment. तरंगांच्या बाबतीत, वेव्सच्या बाबतीत त्याचा अभ्यास चालू होता आणि त्यानं काय केलं? व्हॉट ही डिड? सो रूट ऑफ फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ रेडिएशन्स वर्सेस ॲटॉमिक नंबर. फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ रेडिएशन्स अगेन्स्ट ॲटॉमिक नंबर ग्राफ जर काढला, it was a straight line. It was a straight line. So that means in general, the properties of elements are the functions of their atomic number and not atomic mass. Mendeleev's periodic table, in the Mendeleev's periodic table, it was said that the properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic weights or atomic mass. Instead of atomic weight or atomic mass, the atomic number was introduced because of the recommendation of Henry Moseley. Because of the recommendation of Henry Moseley, what? The properties of the elements. So I will write the modern periodic law. The properties of the elements. Which properties? The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic number Z. So properties of the elements, the properties physical or chemical, the properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic number. What do you mean by this? Periodic functions of their atomic number यानी क्या? जैसे जैसे एटॉमिक नंबर बढ़ता जाएगा, प्रॉपर्टीज चेंज होते जाएंगे और फिर से रिपीट होना है. ओके, बदलेंगे और रिपीट हो जाएंगे. रिपीट हो गए तो उस एलिमेंट्स को सिंगल ग्रुप में डालिए. प्रॉपर्टीज बदलत जातात, परत रिपीट होतात आणि रिपीट झाले त्याला एखाद्या सिंगल ग्रुपमध्ये टाकायचं. Same group, same properties, and properties change, you have to push them in the periods. Alright? Okay. So the physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic number. This is the modern periodic law. Recommendation was given by Henry Moseley. Alright? Now let us see what are the main features of this modern periodic law. I will be telling you about the first periods in the modern periodic law, then group wise classification of the modern periodic law. Now first I will be telling what a period means in a modern periodic law. So let us start the periods in the modern periodic law or modern periodic table. Modern periodic table is also called as the long form of the periodic table. Long form of the periodic table. So periods. There are 7 periods in the modern periodic table. In the Mendeleev's also there were 7 periods. In the modern also there are 7 periods. Okay. So first point I will be writing There are in all 7 periods in the modern periodic table. 7 periods in the modern periodic table. Second point, a period number, period का जो नंबर है ना, period number 1, period number 2, वैसे period number indicates the number of shells. Period number 1 only one shell. इसलिए period 1 is having only 2 elements. Why only 2 elements? क्योंकि एक शेल जो है ना, सिंगल शेल की कैपेसिटी इज ऑफ 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. वन शेल, फर्स्ट शेल 2 electrons, second shell 8 electrons, so 8 elements. Are you getting this? Yes. Right. So period number in the modern periodic table, the period number, what it indicates? The period number indicates the period number indicates number of shells. Period number indicates number of shells. Period number, what it does? Period number 1, shell 1. Period number 2, shell 2. Period number 3, shell 3. Period number 4, shell 4. The longest period, 7th period. Okay? So 7th period is having 7 shells. Right? ठीक है. So period number indicates the number of shells. Okay? The third point is very important. With the start of each period, हर एक पीरियड के स्टार्ट में वो शेल नंबर, दैट शेल नंबर, विच शेल नंबर, जो पीरियड नंबर है वही शेल नंबर, दैट शेल नंबर स्टार्ट्स फिलिंग एंड द प्रीवियस इज ऑलरेडी फिल्ड. मीन्स व्हाट? विद द स्टार्ट ऑफ, स्टार्ट को मैं एक वर्ड देता हूं आपको, एक शब्द, कमेंसमेंट, शुरुआत, शुरू हो गया. सो विद द commencement of each period, हर एक पीरियड कमेंस हो जाता है, शुरू हो जाता है, तो वो शेल स्टार्ट्स फिलिंग. व्हाट डज इट मीन? So first period, which shell starts filling? First shell. और which has already been filled? अभी तो फर्स्ट शेल से पहले कोई आता ही नहीं ना, तो फर्स्ट पीरियड, फर्स्ट शेल स्टार्ट्स फिलिंग. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन. If I start, suppose the first period is there. First shell starts filling. So this is the nucleus. The first shell starts filling. And if I am speaking about the second period, so second period, how many shells will be there? कितने shells? 2 shells. So second period, shell number 1, shell number 2. So अभी देखिए, which shell starts filling in the second period? Second shell. Which has already filled? First has already been filled. तर अजून एक उदाहरण देऊया, मी तुम्हाला सांगतो याचा अर्थ काय आहे. कमेन्समेंट ऑफ ईच पीरियड, प्रत्येक पीरियड सुरुवात झाली तर तो शेल, that shell starts filling. Means what? If I write here third period, ऐसे horizontally period बोलने. See the periodic table. Already tricks for the periodic table. Twice we have played the video, right? So tricks to learn the periodic table means third period देखिए, third period. So the third period, how many shells will be there in the third period? How many shells? 3 shells. So third period, 3 shells. Third period, 3 shells. Which shell starts filling? Third shell. Which has already filled? 2 shells have been already filled. एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. थर्ड पीरियड मैं लिखता हूं, देखिए थर्ड पीरियड कैसे लिखेंगे कि थर्ड पीरियड. लेट अस सी, यू नो द ट्रिक. H यची यलाई BC and O F नियॉन. गाना है, गाना क्या है? यची यलाई BC and O F नियॉन. नारायण मगाशी यनेयमची, नारायण मगाशी आला. म्हणून सीताला फोन करून सांग कॉलर. डोंट से हर. ठीक है. नाउ फर्स्ट पीरियड हॉरी फेरी, हॉरिजॉन्टल पीरियड. Vertical columns, those are groups. So first period, how many shells? Only one shell. How many elements? 2 elements. First period. Second period. How many shells? 2 shells. So the capacity, you know, the capacity of the first shell is of 2 electrons and the capacity of the second shell is of how many electrons? 8 electron. So पहले इसमें क्या हो जाएगा? ये देखो 2 1. So ये एटॉमिक नंबर 2 है, एटॉमिक नंबर 3. इसका क्या हो जाएगा? 2 2. बोरॉन का क्या हो जाएगा? 2 3. कार्बन का 2 4 2 5 2 6. So that means second period means 2 shells. Which shell starts filling? Second shell. Which has already filled? First has already been filled. म्हणजेच काय? The commencement of each period, with the commencement शुरुआत जो होती है हर एक पीरियड की